What is the purpose of her following me?
I would like to find out from her.
Okay, why? In independence of phone, that's why I'm to me the phone. Why muni konka? Why? That's why I'm to me the phone.
And then the party phone ko Jamanje. I want to know what happened. Like who called who? What was the conversation? How did the conversation start? Because it's a phone ko tambela ko chabe. Imeka chati namba kudala mwa babe. Oh, you want to get up that? Eh, then akali kwa bwana voice nango. Inachoka yamba kubani phone ko who called?
So leave me alone. I've moved on. I'm young. I need to live my life. Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Fuck you all. Leave me alone, motherfuckers. You bitch, you're following me up and down. You think we are happy? You think we know what we think we don't know what you're doing? Tell your fucking people, leave me alone. Okay? That's it. You're not a dating and doing something, guys. You should tell your people to leave me alone, motherfuckers. You all motherfuckers. You should tell your people.
Like after Tankala passed na my elders, right? Tasiriza na mwisho na mabarits. So the thing was, you not to kazin to me na phone. You not to kazin to me na phone. Yeah. So ngatufuno kamba 9 is better what to me na sister wangu wa my bang. Yeah. If you want ngafuna something or maybe kuli bukata or shanshan, it's better what to me na my banga or mfana wangu.
Yes.
You know. So now after na bwana mbona vijamanja watu man konka wapugera po na ma stories yao, they're trying to destroy my business.
Yes.
You know, kwamboza abantu ABCD and all that, you know. No, it's too much. Hapa manja sobera ku inchito yanga.
Yes, too much.
You know, and I can't keep quiet. I know some have been saying no, just keep quiet, shanshan your reputation. Yo, I think I saw your business yanga ona. No matter how vanenza shitakushita the reputation yanga, you know.
Yeah, injurious, yeah.
Yes. So natenga phone jera. I think ni mtumira uyu muntu. Neso kamba kwa nae foot. Even before that, nabona mtumira pa first. Stop following us. Tingakoke mukuta shitashani. Tingakoke mukuta mashitashani. Jere, why umapwela? Nikangala chana shoku likonse ni shuliko. Nikali nili huku ni shuliko. Okay, why? Luansha kitwe sorwezi na chipata.
There's a space of how long?
Baba bache pakata.
Like maybe within a month.
Within a month.
Kwanza pesa kati.
That's what I'm daba njere. Nezo shita ignore. Yeah, na viva. You know, sense of nani kasikamba po because I've been through a lot. I've been like what kamuli scandal na muli now.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So I was like, I think for now let me just be happy and forget about what other people are saying. Then bwana uyu muntu ari busy. Auza abantu banene mapanga na business sasa bwera no afeka no matsinga naye.
That's not nice.
Mwana sana. So bwana tenga phone na bwana mtumira njera. Hello muntu wanga, it's me. Namuzomza it's me kuno so. Nifuna sitavanda out again. Problem yanavuta mchani. Problem icho njere why mtu konka. Tukonke iwe chikala chawi so iwe.
Who said that?
Women and devana knows.
Muzukanti?
Yes. Tukonge iwe chikala chawi so iwe. Ba usota wakufunda wino iwe. And I got upset.
Sorry for this time. But the only thing, I'm sure you're going to record this from there.
But record for what?
The reason why I'm calling you to tell your people to stay away from my life.
Which your people after your life?
I'm telling you that you should tell your people to leave my life. Why are you following me up and down? You are too desperate.
Desperate for who?
Leave me alone. Okay, I've moved on with my life. Leave me alone. Tell your people, tell your team to leave me alone.
Anyway, I'm calling you to tell you that tileke kutiko lekanu guys.
And I think that yes, I heard the insults. I'm not supporting you on the insults. I think that the major message that you had or that you were trying to push forward in that conversation was that they should stop following you.
Yes. That's what even up to me the phone first.
So but what again, it doesn't make sense. You can't just call someone and say you should stop following me and then they start saying Chikalashawus. You must have said something that provoked him.
No. Me vena bwana muza namba muzati. Ozo mambo nkonka maningi. kulwansha mnanikonga kwa so namuuza ma places konzo wanaona tikonga na kuchipata mnatikonga then after that uza manje bantu kuti bakamba tenze bonse pa hotel waona ka leka kutikonga mtwanga iwe tingakonge iwewe tikasikonka iwe chani iwe chikala chawo isewe bakusita bakufunda bwino iwe come on iwe Shanshan I'll deal with you.
She's telling us, come on, I'll deal with you.
Yeah. And which I know, she ananuza pavaso kudala. She told me that I'm going to destroy you. A long time ago, even before that, before I had interview with Ellen, she told me that.
And I'm going to destroy you?
Yeah.
So maybe all these scandals are just to bring you down.
That's the thing. That's the thing, man. Now the thing is that baona tsini in the pants. Baona miendi karinien pushing a chene mwini.
Favor is on you, man. Favor is on you, man.
Yeah. So manje, nana bona kuya manje. Iwe, there's no ngambo tukana batitebanga hino. Tukana batitebanga nikufunza chemushi. Elo in fact, nimaone mutikonka. Nifuna kufunza why. Nifuna uniuze why mutikonka. Why are you following us? Shan. Nabona kuya ndeve nabona mbashana na kumtu.
Leave me alone. I've moved on. I'm young. I need to live my life. Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Fuck you all. Leave me alone, motherfuckers. You bitch, you're following me up and down. You think we are happy? You think we know we think we don't know what you're doing? Tell your fucking people, leave me alone. Okay? That's it. You should tell your people to leave me alone, motherfuckers. You all motherfuckers. You should tell your people. That's it.
So my what she did, anakatinga chekake kacha. No, first anaba postati. Yo map Shanshan insulting me, Shanshan. You will see Shanshan. Later on I posta delete. Foot papta time winangu aba posta manje ka clip.
What? Marabishi yeka shame on Mwizu Kanji, the girl that inspires you. Let's just unfollow her page. She's stupid, man.